Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota Sienna SE. Now the most notable features on this SE is its power sliding rear doors. You have your heated front seats as well as your blind spot monitoring. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota Sienna SE. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this SE is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps, and then if we take a closer look just over on the side, you have your 19-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. Taking a look on the inside of the mirror, you're going to see your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now with that indicator, it'll actually light up just looking if there is another vehicle right beside you. Taking a closer look just at your second row, as you can see, you have your 3 seats in the center, or I should say in the second row. The nice thing is with that middle seat is that you can actually store it in the rear, and I'll show you where you can actually do that a little bit later on here. You have the window visor guards, or shades I should say, just located in the third and second row windows, just so you can block out some of that sun. Close button will just be located on the inside here. Now parents, if you're worried about your kids or yourself getting your arm or hand jammed to the door, you don't have to worry about that. In the event that the door does sense there's an obstruction in the way, it'll open itself back up. Now, if you want to close it from the outside, just pull on the handle once more, and it will close for you automatically. And the color we're going to be taking a look at today is gray. Now, taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats, you have your black interior as well as your power driver's seat with lumbar support. Traction control on and off, and then on the inside of the driver's side door you have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control, seek function mode select, as well as your volume control Bluetooth, scroll function for your multi-informational display with your lane departure alert and cruise control. If you take a closer look just at your multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So if we take a closer look, you have your digital speedometer with the distance to empty, fuel economy, as well as being able to go through your audio, lane departure alert, messages, and your settings menu with the ECT power, blind spot monitoring on and off, rear cross traffic alert, pre-collision system, and lane departure alert as well. At the top of the screen you have an exterior temperature gauge, and taking a closer look now at the center dash as well as the touch panel display, you'll see a couple of different features which include that digital clock, and then inside your menu screen you have your audio, phone, apps, as well as a couple of other additional features. With the apps menu, it's part of the Entune app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Scout GPS app, which allows you to stream your maps from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. And it is compatible with Apple CarPlay, and you do have your Sirius XM satellite radio with your dual zone climate control, and your rear temperature controls located down below. Hazard lights, matted to an automatic transmission, heated seat controls for your driver and passenger, USB and power outlets located down below. And taking a look at the top here, you have your auto dimming rear view mirror with integrated garage door opener and digital compass. Open and close, as well as the tilt up and down feature for the power moonroof. And you have the SOS Safety Connect, so in the event that you're in a collision and you're unable to respond, emergency services will be sent out to you right away just to make sure you're okay. Sunglass case holder, and then taking a look at the backup camera here, as you can see you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located on the back of your tailgate, you're going to see your backup camera just on your left hand side, and your rear hatch release located just underneath your Sienna emblem. Now, closing in on the rear cargo space, as you can see, you do have that 60-40 split for your rear seat, so in the event that you do need the additional space, it's available to you. Now, the nice thing is, if you forget how the seats fold or unfold, the instructions are just located on the back of the seat there, and you have some storage space located on the left-hand side here. This is also where you'll actually store that middle seat from the second row, just in case you aren't using it. And over on your right-hand side, you'll find the power outlet as well. When you're all finished up, all you have to do is just push on the back of the tailgate once and it will close for you automatically, making things a lot easier for you when you have your hands full of grocery bags or the kids' sports bags. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sbtoyota.com to get us by email Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.